Welcome to the Forestry Power. Get ready to experience the raw, unstoppable force of industrial giants and the fearless operators who bring them to life. This channel is your ultimate destination for adrenaline-pumping action, where machines dominate landscapes and redefine possibilities. Don't blink. This is the pinnacle of heavy machinery mastery. From monster trucks defying gravity to excavators rescuing stranded vehicles, we capture the heart-stopping moments that showcase the power and precision behind the world's toughest machines. Meet the Caterpillar 988, a true beast of burden, built to dominate the construction and mining industries. Its powerful engine roars as it moves mountains of material with unmatched efficiency. When the stakes are high, the 988 doesn't just perform. It excels under pressure, proving indispensable for demanding operations. Whether it's clearing debris or transporting tons of rock, these machines are the backbone of progress. Every movement is a dance between precision and brute strength. In Xi'an, China, disaster nearly struck when a colossal drill collapsed onto a bustling road. Vehicles swerved, horns blared, and chaos loomed. But thanks to quick reflexes and machine precision, catastrophe was averted. No injuries were reported, but the incident left a trail of major disruptions. The Costa Muca quarry witnessed flames engulf a massive dump truck. Sparks flew and tires melted, yet the operator's courage and coordination ensured no one was harmed. This is the reality of heavy industry, where risk and triumph walk hand in hand. From snowplows slicing through dense mountain snow to tractors hauling monstrous loads, it's not just raw power that matters. It's the expertise and finesse of the operators that turn daunting tasks into seamless achievements. In St. Heizan, thousands gather for the Grand National Tractor Pull, a competition where machines unleash their full potential. The ground trembles as horsepower collides with raw determination, each competitor pushing their limits in the quest for supremacy. Operating heavy machinery on treacherous slopes is a perilous balancing act. One miscalculation can spell disaster. Yet these operators showcase unparalleled precision and bravery. It's not just a job, it's an art form. When nature fights back, teamwork takes center stage. Witness the raw synergy of heavy machinery as a bulldozer and a Liebherr 944 unite to rescue a submerged excavator. Each movement is calculated, every inch hard-fought. This is machinery at its finest. Braving the unforgiving landscapes of Siberia, these machines push forward undeterred by ice, snow, or freezing temperatures. Siberian 6x6 trucks glide over glaciers, their engines roaring defiance against nature's harshest elements. Deep in the forest, a specialized harvester slices through thick logs like butter. Its mechanical arm extends with robotic precision, felling trees with pinpoint accuracy. This isn't just deforestation. It's controlled harvesting to pave the way for development while ensuring the balance of nature. A daring moment. Watch as this overloaded truck inches across a narrow wooden bridge, creaking under the immense weight. The entire operation rests on the driver's unwavering nerve and the engineering behind the truck's sturdy frame. Will it make it across? The stakes rise as heavy excavators dig trenches just inches away from live traffic. The slightest miscalculation could disrupt the flow or lead to dangerous accidents, but these operators handle the pressure with the calm precision of a surgeon. On a rugged cliffside, construction vehicles battle strong winds and crashing waves to lay the foundation for a new sea bridge. Each movement must counteract the unpredictable forces of nature. This is engineering against the elements, and the machines always prevail. Among the most dangerous jobs on Earth, tree cutting on steep slopes demands nerves of steel. With chainsaws in hand and a sheer drop below, these forestry experts combine skill, courage, and caution to tame nature's giants. One wrong move could mean disaster, but they persist, driven by expertise and unwavering focus. At the Forestry Power, we celebrate the power, resilience, and artistry of heavy machinery. Every scene is a testament to human ingenuity and mechanical excellence. Don't miss a single moment. Like, share, and subscribe for more epic content straight from the heart of the action. Thanks for watching.